have you ever struggled just to reach the power button on your computer? Maybe your desktop tower is tucked under your desk, squeezed into a corner, or placed behind other equipment. Every time you go to turn your PC on or off, you're stuck bending, twisting, or stretching just to hit that tiny button. It's inconvenient, it's uncomfortable, and honestly, it can be pretty annoying, especially when you have to do it every single day. This is a surprisingly common problem. A lot of people set up their computers in tight or awkward spaces because of room limitations, cable locations, or simply how their workstation is arranged. While it may look neat from the outside, turning the computer on becomes a hassle. Some users even end up knocking things over or accidentally unplugging cables just because they're reaching into such a cramped area. So naturally, many people try different solutions. Some rely on the case's built-in power button and deal with the inconvenience. Others experiment with DIY fixes, like adding makeshift extensions, repositioning their case, or using third-party gadgets that aren't always reliable. And while these methods might work temporarily, they often complicate the situation rather than improving it. The truth is, most of these conventional solutions don't actually address the root of the problem: accessibility. The issue isn't your computer, your desk, or your cables. It's simply the placement of the power button. If the button isn't in a convenient location, everything becomes harder than it needs to be. And over time, this constant inconvenience becomes a daily frustration. But what if there were a more effective, streamlined way to solve this? What if you could remove the inconvenience entirely by bringing the power button to you instead of forcing yourself to reach for it every time? Imagine having a simple, modern switch designed specifically for this purpose, something you can mount exactly where you want it. On top of your desk, on the side of your monitor, on the wall, or even underneath your keyboard tray. A switch that lets you turn your PC on and off with ease, without contorting your body or reaching behind furniture. This kind of external power button gives you instant control and accessibility. It's especially helpful for people with limited mobility, for those with large standing desks, or anyone who just wants a smoother, more convenient setup. And beyond convenience, it also serves as the perfect fix for damaged or faulty case buttons. Instead of repairing or replacing the entire case, you simply connect this external switch, and your PC is ready to go. Installation is straightforward. It plugs directly into the power switch header on your motherboard, using the same connection your case button does. No complex wiring, no risky modifications, and no need for technical expertise. It's safe, simple, and fast. And because it includes a long extension cable, up to 118 inches, you can place the switch in virtually any position that works for your desk layout. This modern solution does more than just solve a small annoyance. It actually enhances your daily workflow. Your PC becomes easier to use, your workspace becomes more comfortable, and you eliminate one of those little frustrations that slowly add up over time. Whether you're working, gaming, editing, or just browsing, having the power button exactly where you need it makes everything feel smoother and more intentional. That's why I want to introduce you to a practical and intelligent option that's been helping countless users: the PC power button with 118-inch cable. It's designed to simplify your setup, improve accessibility, and ensure that turning your computer on or off is effortless, not a chore. If you're ready to make your PC experience more convenient and more enjoyable, you'll find the link right below this video. Take a moment to check it out. You may be surprised by how much this small upgrade can improve your daily routine.